Hello, you guys. Good morning. As you can see, I'm in my sleep attire. Last night, I just threw on a t-shirt and I slept in these sweatpants. And as you can also see, my hair is a mess. But today, I wanted to film some ChatGPT helping me with my Etsy listings, and I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how you can do it. So I think first things first, I need to go take care of this hair. I need to go have a shower. I need to get myself together so that this time when I film a video, I don't look like my last one where I looked completely horrible. So let's go get dressed. I'm gonna go have a shower and then we will be right back and we will film how I use ChatGPT to help me with my listings and to really just speed up the entire process. So I will be right back and then we will begin the tutorial. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara if you're new here, and if you're not new here, welcome back. My channel, I have a bunch of lifestyle vlogs. I'm a social media manager, and then I also take you along for some passive income, some digital download stuff, and I actually show you how to make it with step-by-step tutorials, and I find ways that you can optimize your shop and optimize your listings that will save you time so that you can make passive income even if you're working a job, if you're a mother, if you're anyone who feels like they want to engage in passive income. I always recommend it. I think all of my clients should do it. I think anyone that I talk to should do it. And I love when my subscribers are talking to me about what they're doing, and then I find ways to help them too. So today I am going to show you guys some shortcuts, and I'm gonna put my camera here. Some of these shortcuts I use when I am creating digital downloads because the whole point is that you want it to be passive income, but you also want it to be fairly quick. If you're someone like me, you're busy on the day-to-day and you don't have a lot of time to really put into these digital downloads, this is a great way to go about it. And today I'm going to be using ChatGPT to show you how you can optimize your listings once your product is created. So if you go over to my channel, if you haven't already, I have a ton of how-tos. I have also posted videos on how to create products that sell really well for me. And today I'm going to show you how I create listing descriptions using ChatGPT, and I'll show you one of my examples of where I did this, and I actually used it as a template. Not as a template, but I used it as like a tool to kind of help me optimize my listing, but I actually just took little things and added it in myself. But today I'm going to show you how you can literally use ChatGPT to pretty much do everything for you. I even know writing descriptions can take a long time, so if you're someone like me that just wants to get it done quick, I'm going to give you kind of a quick tutorial. So I'll have my Loom going so that you can see me and you can see my screen, and I'll show you what prompts I ask ChatGPT and everything like that. I find ChatGPT is very easy to use, but the big primary issue with it is that not everyone knows what to ask it. And so I'm gonna show you exactly how to ask it. And as you can see, I've had a shower, I've gotten myself a bit more together because the first clip in this video was not my best. I was not looking great and I had just woken up. So I was like, let me put myself together and then we will create some good content today. So I'm gonna switch over to Loom and I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to do this. So if you are someone that wants to get into passive income, this video is definitely for you, and I will show you this quick step-by-step. So keep on watching. Today I'm going to show you guys how I come up with my Etsy shop title for this product right here. So if I go back to this first picture, you'll see that it's an open house sign-in sheet. It has QR codes. I have 6 of them in this bundle, and I have priced it around $9.79. So I always say it's not a race to the bottom tactic, but it's good to kind of keep your prices reasonable because then you can kind of go for a bunch of quantity too. So hopefully you'll get a bunch of clients ordering from you, and then that way it'll make these prices all worth it. So this is one of the first products that I created, and I love this product. I think it's great. Realtors are highly active on Etsy, and I think I've said this in a million one of my videos. Pretty much each one of my videos I've probably mentioned it, but I like to tailor a lot of my content to them, and you can pick a niche on Etsy. I pretty much create content for everyone, maybe because it's just like I have it under my business, so it's like marketing templates. It's all for different customers I service. I also have highlight covers, I have wedding templates, I have all kinds of things like that. And one of these days I'm going to show you how I created this and I'm probably gonna do a full video where I actually show you like how I come up with the topic, how I create it, how I do these Etsy pictures, how I do my descriptions, and then how I market it on Pinterest. But for today's purposes, I am going to do ChatGPT, and I'm going to talk about SEO, because SEO with Etsy's a search engine, basically like Google. So you want to make sure that you're tailoring your content to your ideal audience and typing in keywords that they are more likely to search. So there's a million different ways you can do this. You can use different keyword sites. I've used Pinterest to find keywords, Pinterest trends to come up with different products and keywords. But for today, we're gonna simplify it, because if you're a mother or you're a student or you're someone who's working a 9-to-5 job and you literally cannot stand having to come home and then make extra work for yourself, this video is for you, because I do think passive income's worth it. I will be sitting, relaxing on a weekend, and then I'll receive a cha-ching sound from my Etsy shop, and it'll be someone buying different products on my shop. So it's great to have, and I think it's worthwhile. And today we're gonna use ChatGPT to make it even more worthwhile. So as you can see, I have the description of open house sign-in sheet with QR code, realtor open house, real estate marketing, touchless open house sign-in, instant editable template. So as you'll see, I didn't just stop at the first description of open house sign-in sheet with QR code. I kept going. I think why you should keep going is because, like I said, Etsy's a search engine optimization tool, and they are basically wanting you to use keywords that others are more likely to use. So these are different clients that you would be servicing online. So that's why I've continued it. And basically we're going to use ChatGPT to do this. And you can basically use ChatGPT to come up with both your title and your description. So this is a digital download file. So you'll see that here. And then below you have a description. And in that description, you also want to use different keywords that will help you. So I am going to type in some prompts into ChatGPT, because I think ChatGPT is a great tool, but the main reason why people don't use it is because they actually don't know what to ask it. And when you don't know what to ask it, it's kind of hard, because you're trying to come up with ways to make it beneficial for yourself, but if you don't know what to ask it, it's kind of hard to use. So I'm going to simplify it for you guys. I'm going to show you exactly what we can do for a product like this and what you should note before we type in the prompt. So there's some key things I want to make sure I put in the description, and that is that it's an open house sign-in sheet with a QR code. I want to make sure that people know that they can change the fonts and that they can fully edit it, including adding their own pictures. And another thing that I want them to also know is that it comes with 6 different templates. So let's go over to ChatGPT right now, and we are going to type in a prompt. So I'm going to put, can you please, I don't know why, but I like to say please to the AI tools, because I feel like I'm talking to an actual person, even though I'm not. So I'm going to put, can you please provide me with an SEO optimized Etsy title for a listing of 6 open house sign-in sheet templates with a QR code. Are fully editable in Canva, including adding pictures for realtors. So you want to keep it brief like this, and then we're going to hit enter, and we're going to let this thing work its magic. And you want to kind of see what they use to really push the product. So here I put Premier Realtor Open House Sign-In Sheet Templates, editable in Canva, QR code included, high quality and customizable, boost your real estate business. So they have basically taken what I've put, and as you can see, they didn't just stop at Premium Realtor Open House Sign-In Sheet Templates. They continued. So they put editable in Canva, because Canva is another searchable key term. QR code is searchable, high quality and customizable, and then they put boost your real estate business. So that's where kind of like the marketing lingo comes in. There's a couple different ways that you can do it. You can even put 6 Realtor Open House Sign-In Sheet templates. Like I mentioned, you want to put the number in. And if you don't love that, you can even regenerate the response. So let's see what it says. Editable open house sign-in sheet templates, QR code, fully customizable in Canva, Realtors Essential, 6 designs included. We're just gonna say this is better for now. But as you can see, this is a great title. And all you have to do is that when you're posting your listing, just have this tab open and drag Command C, Command V, and your title is done. If there's any chance that the title is longer, I think this tries to keep it within Etsy's guidelines, but there could be ways that it's a bit longer. All you have to do is just shrink it down and kind of change up a few of the words. But if you want to save yourself some time, I would suggest just keeping it the same. The thing is that we don't want to stop there. We want to turn it into an Etsy product description that's also SEO optimized. So I am going to save ourselves some time. We don't have to copy and paste everything back in here. All we have to put is, can you turn above into an Etsy product listing description that is also SEO optimized? And then you just have to see what it gives you. So it has the title, and then here's the description. Welcome to our Realtor's Essential Collection of Editable Open House Sign and Sheet Templates. Boost your business with these 6 professional design templates that come with a convenient QR code feature. So ChatGPT is taking language that realtors or whoever you're marketing to will want to read, and they'll want to see, and then they're making it easy. You can see how amazing this is just by seeing what they've bolded and how they are continuing to describe everything here. So they even have a section where you can put key features, QR code integration, fully editable in Canva, 6 unique designs, Realtor's Essential. So it literally has a breakdown under each tab, and it's all SEO optimized for Etsy. Then it even went a step further and said, why choose our templates? Effortless customization, so you can stand out from competition. They're literally telling your ideal client exactly how your product will benefit them. Stand out from the competition by adding your logo, contact information, and property images effortlessly. It's time saving. So the reason why realtors are going on Etsy is to save time. So this is another way that they are addressing the problem and how this product is solving it. There's boost lead generation. So when you are giving someone a sign-in sheet that has your contact information, they're maybe more likely to save that information. And if they have the QR code on their smartphone, then it's probably saved to their smartphone too. Then it has shareable and digital friendly. So whether or not you want to print this, whether or not you want this online, it's basically showing you that you can have the best of both worlds with this digital product. And my favorite part about this description is that it even went a step further of putting how it works. So a lot of the time in your Etsy description, you want to put how it works because not everyone will have the same access to Canva the way that you do. So you may be someone who's like a pro with Canva or pro with like digital downloads, but someone who's buying from you, it might be their very first time. So you want to make sure that you put how it works. Another reason why you want to make sure you put how it works is because it saves you from someone complaining about your product or wanting to return it, because it's a digital download. They don't process returns. So you just want to make sure that your customer is always happy. And this is a great way to do it. So it says how it works. Purchase the listing and download the file instantly. Access the templates using Canva and start customizing to match your brand. Add property images, whatever, a picture of yourself, and then save and export your custom sign-in sheets in various formats, ready for print or digital use. So whether you want to download as a PDF, a PNG, a JPEG, whatever the heck it is, you are set up. And then it says, note, listing is for digital templates only. No physical items will be shipped. The Canva link and instructions will be provided upon purchase. So whether you put that link into another PDF that you just attach, you're ready to go. And I love how they put that, because again, you're telling this client that it's a digital file. Do not expect any customization and prints done by you. They're all done as a template. Then I know I've said this whole thing is like amazing, but it's actually unreal how they put the tags too, because tags are amazing. Keywords are so important with Etsy, as I've mentioned, Pinterest, Google, like it's basically a search engine. So when you have the option of putting tags in your listing, that's where you're gonna put these. So real estate, realtor, open house, sign-in sheet, QR code, editable, Canva template, lead generation, customizable property images, modern to sign. They give you exactly what you need to put to really optimize your listing right on Etsy. So save yourself some time, avoid going to all these other apps. It's all right here. And if you want to go a step further, you can do some keyword research on Pinterest and beyond. So it's literally that simple. I wanted to keep this short and sweet for you guys. I think that creating these listings is hard enough. So I'm trying to make the Etsy shop descriptions and titles even easier for you, because at the end of the day, your products will sell when things are SEO optimized, and it's really one of the key components, and I think a lot of people overlook it. But I'm showing you quick and easy ways that you can create that passive income so that we can all make money this year and beyond. And even myself, I need to take my own advice and start using ChatGPT more for this stuff. I used to sit there for hours typing and coming up with keywords and doing all this research when you can literally use ChatGPT. So I'm gonna create a couple products coming up, and we're gonna use ChatGPT solely, and I'm gonna do it with you guys. And then we'll see how the product performs over a month or two, and see if it just gets any traffic. But yeah, so it's literally that simple. If you have any questions, definitely comment down below. I offer Etsy coaching, so send me an email. I'll leave that in the description box below as well. And yeah, I can't wait for the next videos to come. I have a ton of other ideas, and I will also film some vlogs. I kind of want to take you guys along with my life and get to know me a little bit better. I'm starting to feel a little bit more comfortable with the camera, and I feel like it's time that I start showcasing that a little bit more. It's been a while since I've filmed, so I'm kind of surprised that I'm feeling okay right now talking to you guys over camera, but I'm trying to be more lively because this content can be a little boring, but I'm trying to bring it to life a little bit and keep you guys excited. So if that means keeping it short and sweet, just let me know. And if there's any videos you want to see, comment down below, and I'm super happy to film them. Definitely like and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm happy to have you all here, and we're almost at 1K, so I'm super excited to keep this subscriber momentum going, and I'm happy to connect with all of you. So feel free to email me just to chat. You can follow me on Instagram, you can follow me on TikTok. I'm all over everything, and I'm always running my client social media account. So if you need a social media manager, you know where to find me as well. So it was great chatting with you guys, great catching up. Let me know how this ChatGPT thing goes for you, and I will see you guys very, very soon.